guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. As you know from my channel, I deal with mostly small engine equipment, and part of my channel involves a lot of tractor refurbishing, repairing tractors, get them going after you find them on the street, and then sell them. Well, because of that, I buy a lot of U1 batteries. U1 batteries are the typical garden tractor batteries that you find at local big box stores. And they're just a little bit smaller than a car battery and much bigger than a motorcycle battery. I've been trying to charge this battery for about a week. And even after charging it for a week, with a desulfator on it, I tested the progress, and still, it's 100% charged, but it's only 32% healthy. And it tells you to replace the battery. Usually you can try to rejuvenate these with a desulfator, but in this case, this battery is done. My new friends over at UPLUS sent me a new battery. So we're going to replace this battery with that one. Comes in a well-packed box for shipping. Includes these little plastic tabs to protect the terminals from damage. Owner's manual, as well as some terminal bolts. You're always looking for these. I'm glad they gave them to you. This battery actually comes with handles, which is very convenient because even though it's a smaller battery than a car battery, it's still significantly heavy. This is a UP-U1 320, meaning 320 is the CCA, the cold cranking amps. If this is in cold weather, you'll get about 320 cranking amps, which is a lot for a lawn tractor. Now in warmer temperatures, you may get up to 350, 375, almost 400 cranking amps, depending on the temperature. Let's change the battery to a brand new one. Changing out a battery for a lawn tractor is very easy. Usually 7/16 bolts. I'll just use my impact. There's the old battery out, and put the new UPLUS battery in. Take off the terminal covers. We'll use the ones they gave us, because that's probably going to fit better. And the supplied bolts are a little different. They're 10 millimeter. Make it nice and snug. There, we're all set, installed. So now we have a nice new UPLUS battery installed. Let's fire it up. Now that we got one lawn tractor with a new battery ready to sell, I have another lawn tractor that I need to sell, and it also has a bad battery. Let's switch that out. This is my Toro wheel horse hydrostatic tractor that I've had in the shed also for over a year, stored. Has a very weak battery, and if I'm going to sell it this season, I need to change it to a brand new battery. UPLUS sent me another one yesterday, and this is a smaller cranking amps instead of the 320 like the first one we did. This is a U1 250, also from my friends over at UPLUS. UP-U1 250. So it's a little bit weaker than that, also a little bit cheaper. Comes with the 10 millimeter screws, instruction manual. Because this has a gravity-fed fuel tank, the battery's in the rear. And these are just 7/16 bolts too. This is certainly going to be a better upgrade because this battery is only a 160. You replace it with a much better 250, much better cranking amps for the new owner. Also, you see, this has these handles that conveniently allow you to plug it in. Super easy. Remove the terminal protectors. And we'll use these 10mm ones that came with the battery. There we go. Easy peasy. And now just start her up. If your lawn tractor has a weak or dead battery, change it with a UPLUS battery. UPLUS got me going on 2 of my tractors today. The 250CCA one and the 320CCA one. Both of them with convenient handles to just pull right up instead of trying to touch the terminals and electrocute yourself to pull it up. Fantastic. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out the UPLUS batteries. Hope you enjoyed this weekend's product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. That's right. Here at Mowers and Blowers, we push them into the garage and they come out driving.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.